on duckies with me? Let's go swimming, bud, and sing along. Five little duckies swam out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 4 duckies came back. 4 little duckies splashed around, waddled up and splashed back down. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 3 duckies came back. 3 little duckies played by the shore. They splished and splashed and giggled some more. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 2 duckies came back. 2 little duckies flapped their wings. They chased some butterflies and shiny things. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 1 ducky came back. 1 little ducky all alone swam in circles by a stone. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but no little duckies came back. Then Mama Duck went out to say, "Come back, duckies, don't stay away." She called out loud, quack, 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 and all 5 duckies came back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little duckies jumped in the pond and gave a wink. They splashed, they quacked, they danced in a line. What a happy ducky time. Quack, 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 it's time to go. The duckies had fun, now you know. They counted and splashed and sang with you. Thanks for joining the ducky crew. Little ducky says goodbye for now with a happy wave and a little bow. Come back soon, we'll play some more with ducky